Hey all, I'm Kasim Sheikh and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we'll see the ways of configuring a Python Flask application to get it hosted on Microsoft Azure Web App. So let's start. Let's go to Azure portal, that is portal.azure.com. Here I have already created a web app naming as ks-python under the resource group ks-python, and I've added a deployment option as GitHub for deploying an application, a Python Flask application. So my Python Flask Hello World application is into my GitHub repository. The original version is from Azure samples, that is Python docs Hello World. I have cloned this application or files into my repository for so that for a clean demo. So as you can see, it has a main.py page wherein it returns and hey, it's Python Flask application. I have added this repository into our Azure web app as a deployment option, as you can see over here. So let's go to overview and let's open this URL into a browser. And as you can see that it shows a message that you do not have a permission to view this directory or page. This is because before using or before hosting an Python Flask application, we need to configure the app for using or for enabling a Python application to get hosted. So there are two ways we can do this, and we can achieve this through Azure portal itself. So the first way is go to your web app page that is KS Python. Here in this blade, click on application setting. Here you can see there is Python version and it is off. So we are using the application which I am using is of 3.4 version 3.4. So I will be selecting here 3.4. You can select 2.7 also. I'm selecting as 3.4. Just select the version and click on save. You can see you're getting a notification saying that it is being updated. Now go to the site and hit refresh. And now once it gets spined up, great. So you can see it's showing the message, hey, it's Python Flex application. So it is the same as what we have written it over here. So this was one method. Simple, isn't it? Let's go to this another method. Before that, uh, let's make it as off again so that we can check the second method, how it works. So we have now selected as off, and let's see whether it has, okay, great. So now let's go for the second method. The second method is through Cloud Shell. So click over here at this icon, Cloud Shell, and this will open a bash window into the same portal or same page, and it will create a connection or start the terminal and all, and it got started. It will take few seconds to get connected. Just type it as AZ to get all the commands from of Azure. So as you can see, for web app, for managing web app, it's web app. So for configuring an app, we need to type as AZ web app config set. So we need to set the Python version. So let's Python version as 3.4. We need to provide the name of our app, that is ks-python, along with resource group, that is again ks-python. So for configuring the application or the web app, you just need to provide this command as az web app config set, the version of the Python, and your web app name, Azure web app name, along with the resource group name. Let's enter. So this will configure our app. Okay, there is some spelling mistake, I believe. Okay, so there was a space. As you can see, there was a space over here. So please make sure while using this option or using the CLI, the naming, the spellings and everything, even the spaces can create an issue. So now the space is removed. Let's enter and this should configure right. Okay, so you will get an output as such. You can just scroll it above and you can see the Python version 3.4. Now let's go to our application over here and hit refresh. And now it should work. Great. So we in this video we learned there are two ways of configuring the web app. One is through the application settings of through portal, and the another one was with Cloud Shell, that is Azure CLI command. Hope you have learned something new in this video. Uh, would request you to kindly like subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thank you. Happy Azure coding.